Good morning, fourth grade. Today we're going to continue with fractions and decimals and how they relate. Today we're going to focus on money though. So here you can see I have $1. Then I have my dimes here. A dime is worth 10 cents. So a dime, 10 dimes is equal to $1. And then I have a penny which is worth 1 cent. So 100 pennies are equal to $1 because a dollar is 100 cents. Now, the first type of problem you're going to see today is it's going to ask you, write the total money amount, then write the amount as a fraction or a mixed number, and as a decimal in terms of dollars. So there's a few different things that we have to do there, so we're going to take it step by step. The first one says write the total money amount. So we're going to need to add up the total amount of money that we have here. The way that I like to do it is I like to start by counting with the biggest values first. So I'm going to start with my quarters. So I have 3 quarters. I know a quarter is worth 25 cents. So I can do 25 times 3 equals 75. So I know I have 75 cents. Then I have 3 dimes. I know a dime is worth 10 cents. So I can do 10 times 3 equals 30. And then I have 4 pennies. And I know a penny is worth 4 cents. So I know that I can do, if I wanted to, 4 times 1 equals 4. And I'm going to line them up so they're in the place values. Now I can add my values together. So I will add 75 plus 30 plus 4 equals 109. So to write that in money terms, I will write my dollar sign. I write $1.09 because we know there are 100 cents in $1. So I'll take my 100 and turn that into a 1 because it's $1. And then I will have 9 cents remaining. Now, if you were to write it like this, that would be 90 cents. But again, we're talking about $1.09. Now, the second part says, then write the amount as a fraction or mixed number. I know that I will be writing this as a mixed number because it is greater than 1. We always, when fraction is greater than 1, we will write it as a mixed number. So we will write 1, and then our fraction, again, we're talking out of 100 cents. So I know my denominator is going to be 100, and I have 9 cents, so it'll be 9 hundredths because I have 9 cents. So 1 and 9 hundredths would be my fraction. 1, my dollar is my whole number. And then I need to write 9 cents as a fraction for the part of my mixed number. And since there are 100 cents in $1, it will be 9 hundredths. And then the way that I will write this as a decimal is very similar to when we're writing the money, except there will be no money sign. It will be 1 and 9 hundredths. And that's how I can look at a picture of money and I can write the value as money, the fraction or mixed number, and then write it as a decimal.